Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the Flowise AI, an innovative open source project designed to simplify the creation and management of AI workflows. So Flowise AI is a powerful tool that allows users to build visuals and manage AI workflows effortlessly. It leverages the capabilities of various AI models, making it easier for developers and data scientists to integrate AI into their applications. So here are some key features of Flowise. Its user-friendly interface. Flowise offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that allows users to create workflows without extensive coding knowledge. Integration with AI models easily connect various AI models, enabling seamless interaction and data flow between them. Real-time collaboration. Work collaboratively with team members in real time, enhancing productivity and creativity. It's open source. Being open source means that anyone can contribute to its development, ensuring continuous improvement and innovation. Using Flowise is straightforward. Simply log into the platform, select your desired AI models, and drag them onto the canvas. Connect them as needed to create your workflow. Once set up, you can run your workflow on visual and visualize the results instantly. So Flowise can be utilized across various industries. For instance, healthcare, analyze patients' data and predict outcomes using AI models, finance, automate trading strategies and risk assessments, marketing, optimize campaigns through data-driven insights. To get started with Flowise, visit their GitHub page. Here you can find a documentation, installation, instructions, and community support to help you on your journey. I'll also be encouraging you guys to go ahead and visit their Twitter account, X account. They have just over 19,000 followers. Okay, so it's quite established account since April 2023. All the updates are obviously being shared here very through their social media platform. Okay, and if you want to go ahead, you can also find this link here, and you can join their Discord. All right, so guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. Any comments, leave it down below, and thank you very much for watching.